This is the Iron Monkey clay pot experiment. I have a clay pot, a large one with a smaller clay pot in the middle with sand. And through condensation, I'm going to see if it works to keep something cold on a hot day. I have my temperature gauge here that shows, let's see, it looks like it's right now about, just say, 80 degrees inside of the clay pot with the sand. Okay, now I have some old Coca-Cola cans that I'm gonna measure the temperature. And this one looks like it's about 80, 84 degrees. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off. Now, I'm going to put the can inside the middle of the clay pot, and then I'm gonna cover it with a white cloth and leave it for a few hours. Let's take the temperature one more time. As soon as my device loads up here. All right, we can see right now, max is 82, roughly. Okay, pause. I'm now adding water to it around the edges. I'm using regular old spring water, but I imagine you could use tap water. And there is a drain hole at the bottom to drain the water in there. It'll take a minute. But meanwhile, I'm going to cover this up with a piece of white cloth. Now it's covered with a cotton white cloth. It's actually almost like a cheesecloth. Clay pot, moistened with water. And when I come back in a few hours, we'll see if the soda's cold or not. And if it works, we'll check the temperature. Okay, here I am again, my experiment with the clay pot cooler. Right now, I have the same soda that I had before, which is these old cans of soda right here, Coke Zero. As you can see, the temperature is, oops, a little wobbly here. Sorry, guys. The sunlight is not right here. My cat's in the way. 122 degrees in the sun. Pot, as you can see, is pretty hot out here. Inside is a can of soda. We will see how cold it is. Here we have the soda can. It's actually cold to the touch. And it says it's about, looks like about max 75, minimum 64. So I'm gonna take the soda out. Place it here, measure the temperature. Minimum 66. The inside, it feels cold. Wow, this clay pot thing does work. It really does work. It keeps the inside cool. You have to have a clay pot, a layer of sand that you fill with water, and then whatever you put in the middle, if you cover it up, I used a white cloth like the instructions I found online says, but it really does work and keeps stuff cool in the hot weather. If you want to make a low-cost thing, you need sand, porous clay pots. and it does work. This is the Iron Monkey, out.